How to fix this account might include sensitive content on Twitter. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser as this process cannot be done from your Twitter application. So once you have opened your preferred browser, tap on the search bar and search for twitter.com and then go ahead and log yourself in. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings and privacy option there. Further, go ahead and tap on the privacy and safety option and you will see the option for content you see. Tap on that and then go ahead and enable the display media that may contain sensitive content checkbox. Once enabled, you will no longer receive this account might include sensitive content on Twitter issue. So, this is how you can fix this account might include sensitive content on Twitter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.